this is an Ethiopian opal. Now, opal is an interesting material that always tends to capture people's imagination, precisely because a lot of them exhibit this magnificent sequence of colours called a play of colour. And I say a lot of them in a relative sense. It's not a lot of them. Only precious opal does this. Now, opal is a hydrated amorphous silica mineraloid, so it's to an extent comprised of water. Generally, the lower the composition of water, the more valuable and more stable that opal is going to be. But this magnificent play of colour that you see here is basically an extension of the fact that it's comprised of tiny little silica spheres at the nanoscopic level, and there's a degree of symmetry to these nanospheres of silica that we don't see in other varieties of opal. So because these silica spheres are stacked in a more symmetrical way than we're used to seeing in less precious forms of opal, it creates a phenomenon called Bragg diffraction, which is what allows light to scatter and diffract and create this sort of disco-esque series of light along the surface, or disco-esque series of colour along the surface of this absolutely magnificent mineraloid.